Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out this tiny but powerful machine. The 1-64 RC mini car with 2.4 GHz dual control. It's small enough to fit in your pocket but packs a punch when it comes to speed and fun. Let's see if this little guy is worth it. So first off, what do you get in the box? You've got the mini RC car itself, a 2.4 GHz remote controller, a USB charging cable, and of course, the instruction manual. The car is built with an alloy body, which gives it a stronger feel compared to regular plastic toy cars. Even though it's small, it feels sturdy and well made. Now let's talk design. The 1-64 scale means it's super compact, but don't let that fool you. The detailing is pretty impressive. It's got a sporty city road look with rubber tires that grip well. The dual control option is really cool because you can control it using the included remote. Moving on to features, the 2.4 GHz frequency is important because it allows multiple cars to race together without signal interference. So if you've got a couple of these, kids can race against each other, no problem. The car is advertised as all-terrain, and while it's not going to climb rocks, it actually does surprisingly well on different surfaces: hardwood floors, tiles, low carpet, even a bit of gravel or outdoor pavement. Alright, let's test the performance. On flat indoor surfaces, this mini car is fast to surprisingly fast for something so small. The response time on the remote is almost instant, so steering feels smooth and precise. The turning radius is tight, so you can drift around corners, set up little obstacle courses, or even race it under furniture. Outside it holds up well too, though keep in mind because of its small size, really rough terrain will slow it down. Battery life gives you around 15 to 20 minutes of non-stop play, which is pretty standard for RC cars of this size. Charging takes about 30 to 40 minutes, so the downtime isn't too bad. Who is this car for? Honestly, it's perfect for kids who love speed but don't want something too big or heavy. The small size makes it easy to carry anywhere: to school, a friend's house, or even just in your pocket. It's also a fun little desk toy for adults, I'll admit. Racing it around my office table is way more addictive than I thought it would be. And with Christmas and birthdays always coming up, it's definitely a solid gift. So overall, the 1-64 mini RC car is a fun, affordable little gadget that delivers way more entertainment than you'd expect from something this small. It's fast, durable, and makes a perfect gift for kids, or even a cool stress relief toy for adults. Definitely worth checking out if you're into RC cars or just want something fun to race around indoors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you use this as a toy for kids, or keep it as your own mini racing car? I'll catch you in the next video.